Welcome to today's episode of Tectonic, where we dive into the fascinating world of technology that shapes our daily lives. I'm your host, and I'm thrilled to discuss an intriguing application that marries the simplicity of text with the power of modern computing. Let's talk about VTM. So what exactly is VTM? Well, it stands for Virtual Text Matrix, and it's a text-based application where the entire user interface is a mosaic of text cells. Imagine a grid, a TUI matrix made up exclusively of text, almost like a digital canvas where every pixel is a character. It can form a completely functional desktop environment using just text. Isn't that wild? Let's break it down a bit. Picture this. You have your favorite console application, and instead of it being trapped in its own little window, VTM can wrap around it, extending its functionality while keeping everything neat and organized. And it gets better. It can nest applications indefinitely. That means you could have multiple layers of these text interfaces open at the same time. This brings a new meaning to multitasking, right? Now, if you're wondering where you can use VTM, the options are pretty good. It's supported on Windows, specifically Windows 8.1 and onward, as well as a variety of Unix-based operating systems like Linux, macOS, FreeBSD, NetBSD, and OpenBSD. However, keep in mind that on Unix platforms, you'll need a terminal emulator for it to work. It's essentially a bridge connecting those text and console applications to a more interactive environment. Now let's chat about the architecture behind VTM. What makes it tick? VTM stands out because you can build it from the source, tweak command line options, and customize the user interface to your liking. There's also support for Unicode, which is critical for displaying a wide array of characters from different languages. Plus, there are geometry modifiers that let you adjust how everything is displayed on your screen. That's a lot of flexibility, and it speaks volumes about how text-based applications can still thrive in our visually dominated tech world. I'm curious, how do you all feel about text interfaces in a world filled with graphics? Would you opt for simplicity and efficiency over a flashy UI? Or do you think visuals make a significant difference in user experience? I'd love to hear your thoughts on this. As we wrap up this discussion on VTM, let's remember that text-based applications are far from obsolete. In fact, they offer a unique layer of usability that can enhance our productivity in an increasingly complex digital landscape. From building them from the ground up to adjusting every little detail to make it yours, there's something truly rewarding in that. And that's a wrap for today's episode. Thank you for tuning in, and remember, the beauty of technology lies in its endless possibilities. Until next time, keep exploring.